wanted to understand something big. How does AI think? And can we use maths to prove it? To find out, we didn't just read or watch videos. We collected data, asked real questions, analyzed patterns, and learned how predictions are made, the same way AI makes them. This project helped us see that numbers aren't just in textbooks. They are alive in our behavior, our routines, our school, and even the future of technology. So come with us as we show how we used mathematics to think like AI, and how AI uses mathematics to think like us.
Hi all, we are the grade 9 students of MMS. This year we explored something using statistics and AI, thinking to understand the real life problems and predict future trends. We have learned how data tells stories and help us make smart predictions, just like how artificial intelligence does.
There was a chapter called Math for AI, so I had a thought to collaborate with math teacher for better understanding of AI prediction.
When the AI teacher approached me, I thought it was a great idea to collaborate with them. And also the students had the same chapter in class 9, so it was very easy for us to make the collaboration.
Before we started thinking like AI, we wanted to understand where AI actually came from. AI did not start with chatbots or apps. Its journey began long before any of us were born, with a simple dream. Can machines think like humans? In the 1950s, scientists created the first ideas of artificial intelligence. Back then, computers were giant machines. But people already imagined a future where technology could learn. As time passed, AI slowly grew, from solving basic maths problems to playing games better than humans to recognizing faces and now helping us study, create, analyze, and think smarter. Today, AI is part of our curriculum, where we explore everything from AI ethics and data handling to understanding how machines learn from examples and how predictions are made using statistics. And this is exactly why our project matters. We are not just learning math and computers separately. We are learning the future by connecting subjects to real life.
First, we brainstormed questions and made survey forms. We wanted accurate information, so we collected the data carefully from our classmates and school community.
We worked in groups and chose different real-world topics to investigate. Predicting exam performance based on study hours. Predicting screen time versus sleep quality. Surveying AI usage and daily hours spent using AI tools.
We enjoyed talking with class teachers, friends, and even staff members. Some of us even checked the power usage areas in schools, units of electricity used per day, and we felt like we are the real data researchers.
And then we guided the student to think like an AI system. They used data trends to make predictions and understand how AI learns from information.
Then came the maths part, and it was cool. We organized data into tables, found mean, median, and mode, created bar graphs and scatter plots, looked for patterns and correlations. Seeing the scatter plot of study hours versus marks made everything clear. More study time usually means better performance. And the data on AI usage showed that many students already use AI tools for homework, doubt solving, coding, and projects. And it's increasing fast. After looking at patterns, we try to think like AI. If these patterns continue, what will happen next?
Hello, I am the AI you've been learning about, and I want to share something important with you. I may be able to analyze data, find patterns, and make predictions, but I am still a machine. I do not replace human creativity, emotions, or imagination. I only learn from the information you give me. My purpose is not to take your place. My purpose is to be your partner in learning, to help you work faster, think smarter, and explore ideas you may not have tried before. When I handle the heavy calculations and repetitive tasks, you get more time to focus on creativity, innovation, and real problem solving. You don't need to fear me. You just need to learn how to use me thoughtfully. Because when humans and AI work together, your abilities grow, your workload reduces, and together, we can create solutions that make life better. And as learning is a continuous journey, let's learn together and grow together. So as you move into the future, remember this: I am not here to replace you. I am here to empower you. The future is not AI alone. It is AI with you.
In this project, the students collected real-time data and used mathematical tools like mean, median, mode, bar graphs to find the patterns.
We really enjoyed this project. We felt like data scientists, analysts, and AI learners. It was not just about maths and computers. It was about the real world, our future, our school, and our habits.
This project helped us to learn data analysis, research, teamwork, and thinking like AI.
By doing this, the students have strengthened their logical thinking, data analysis skills, and statistical reasoning.
Student understood how AI uses data to make decisions, a skill for the future.